Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store
C. 5.
knight f3
D. 6.
d8 store
C. Captures on D. 4.
knight captures on d8 store
Knight F6.
knight c3
A6.
bishop a2
E6.
castles kingside
Bishop E7.
a store
Castles kingside.
bishop a3
Knight C6.
f store
Queen C7.
king h1
Rook E8.
bishop f3
Rook B8.
g store
Bishop F8.
g5
Knight D7.
bishop g2
Knight captures on D4.
queen captures on d8 store
B6.
f5
G6.
f6
Knight E5.
b3
Bishop D7.
well a c1
Rook E8.
knight a2
B5.
a captures on b5
A captures on B5.
queen d2
B4.
knight d8 store
Knight G4.
bishop g1
Queen, c3.
Queen captures on c3.
Rook captures on c3.
Rook a1.
h6.
Rook a7.
Rook d8.
H stored.
H captures on g5.
H captures on g5.
e5.
Knight f3.
Knight e3.
Bishop captures on a3.
Rook captures on e3.
Rook a1.
Rook c3.
Rook a2.
Bishop g4.
Rook f2.
Rook d8.
Rook a2.
Rook e3.
Knight d2.
Bishop e6.
King h2.
Rook e3.
Knight f1.
Rook 8 c5.
Knight g3.
Rook c8.
Bishop f3.
Bishop d7.
King g2.
d5.
Heir captures on d5.
Bishop c5.
Rook a2.
Bishop b5.
Rook captures on a5.
Bishop d6.
Rook a1.
Rook captures on c2. Check.
Rook captures on c2.
Rook captures on c2. Check.
Knight a2.
Rook b2.
King f2.
Rook captures on b3.
Rook c1.
Rook B2.
White C8. Check.
King H7.
King A3.
Rook B3. Check.
King F2.
Rook D3.
White D8.
Bishop C5. Check.
King G3.
B3.
Knight F4.
B2.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.